Functionality of your battery and your emergency light. A good way to see if you need a replacement. Test with your test button. Make sure that it's coming on. In the event that it is not, it's time to replace the battery inside. You take your cover off. There are clips on the top and on the bottom. Remove your cover. Your battery will be hooked to 2 terminals. Remove those terminals. You get your new battery. Take off your terminal clips. Take your blue wire to the black terminal. Your red wire to the red terminal. Again, test to make sure that your light comes on, that it's working properly. And if it is, replace the cover.